Okay and dokie, guys. This is the highest point I could get because the flipping gate is closed. Thank you so much. Never mind. You enjoy the view. I wonder what that building is. Which building is that one? That is new. Looks like a arts center or a exhibition, conference hub. There you go. The river. And this building is absolutely ugly. I don't know what it is. Ah, my hands are shaking, man. Ah, my hands are shaking, man. Slippery, man. Flipping is slippery. Ay, have to be so careful. Slippery here, lots of snow. Not too bad, eh? Not too bad. So this is the viewpoint I was talking to you about, but it's closed. It's locked. Thank you. Anyway, we are here. I had a sip of water. Pepsi. That's it. Pepsi times. Zdravo i prekrasno. Zdravo Makedonia. Zdravo i prekrasno. Prekrasni. Kuina neva gotovo. In practice. My narabota sotebe. I have to practice my Macedonian before we depart. Let me see, anything interesting here on the sides? Nothing. Narabota sotrebe. I can't feel this hand. I can't feel it. Okay guys, I think it's enough. You have seen this already. I don't want to bore you. So we are going to finish it with this view like that. No, what about here? Bravo!